In this lecture, we're gonna show how to create a belt. So here we have a room bike. This is magnetic room bike. So here we have the pulley 1. Here we have pedals. If you rotate this pulley, you can see the rotation here. As well, here we have the second pulley, this one. And this is magnetic one. And now we want to create a belt that will transfer rotation from this pulley here, from the pedals, to this pulley here. So we want to create a belt on this face here and this face here. To do that, first we have to find the tool belt. So let's go here. Let's type here belt. So here we have a tool, belt chain. So let's choose this one. Now here on the left side we have a properties. First we have to choose belt members, pulley components. So the first one will be this one, and the second one we're gonna choose this one here. And now we can see the preview. So here we have a diameter that was calculated. And now let's go down here under properties. Let's check this one, create belt part. Let's click OK. Like this. And now here we have a sketch. Now we have to create a belt part. So let's go down here. Here we have a belt 1. Let's open this. Here we have a belt part. Let's right click here and let's open this part. And now we're going to use this sketch to create a belt. We're going to use Extruded Boss base. So we're going to select this sketch. We're going to go down there and we're going to use thin feature. So we're going to go with the depth 5 millimeters like this. And here for the direction, we're going to choose midplane with 10 millimeters. And this is it. This is our belt. Now let's click OK. Now let's go to our belt, to our assembly. Do we want to rebuild our changes? Yes. And now here is our belt. We can also go here and we can hide this sketch. Hide, like this. And now if we rotate this part, the second pulley is rotating. Maybe we don't see this, but if we rotate this pulley, we can see that the pedals rotate to one direction and let's go to another direction. And now this works. So this is how you can use a belt in assembly creation.